Hey, my name is Sunny Ahuja from Killer Online. For the past 15 years, we've been helping cleaning, restoration, and plumbing companies grow. We work with clients, we work with restoration companies all over the country. We manage their Google ads, we manage their search engine optimization, we build high conversion website design, and so on and so forth for them. One of the biggest things that we do for them is measure their conversion. That's the only way we'll understand what's working for them. And in order to do that, we have been recording calls for our clients for the past 15 years. Not all calls get answered properly is I feel when I listen to those calls. We've created something new that we are very excited about, that we are going to launch here at the Experience event in Vegas. And to give you an idea what that is, I'd like to invite my son, Akarsh, who's also been with the industry for 10 years, is going to share what this AI service is capable of doing, how it can help you scale your business.
Thanks, Sunny. Hey, my name is Akarsh Ahuja and I'm here with Kill It Online. Today we're proudly introducing at the Experience Convention, Cass. Cass, Keep Appointments Simple, is an AI receptionist which handles calls, SMS, and it can book appointments with access to your calendar. And I mean, think about it. In the restoration industry, most of these things go down after hours, they go down on weekends, they go down when you're not there to pick up the phone. We guarantee that your potential customer feels heard even in the worst of times. If you want to try the experience yourself, we have a demo line which you can give a call right now. We look forward to hearing from you soon, and right now I'm going to pass it back to Sunny.
Thanks, Akarsh. Isn't that a great service? Now that you know how we can help cleaning restoration companies grow, scale, we'd love to hear from you. How can we help you scale? Is it with Google, Facebook, or something else? And of course, our AI-driven services. Appointment setting is only the beginning. We have a lot more coming up soon. Give us a call. You can email me directly. My email is sunny@killeronline.com. Thanks for your time. I appreciate you watching it.